Okay, so in this video I just want to give you a quick update as of the video I shot 2 weeks ago on the AdStaker, and I just want to show you some of the typical results that I have been having. But just quickly before I go any further, please note this is not financial advice, and these are simply my own opinions and my own personal results. It should not be treated as financial or trading or investment advice, and I always recommend before you do any type of investment is to do your own research. And I only recommend companies and products I use personally, and I do not recommend any third parties that I have never used. Okay, so over on my dashboard there's been quite a lot of activity over the last 2 weeks since I actually start my investment in here. Now, I don't want to go through everything of setting things up. I have put a link underneath this video in the description if people are interested on how to set it up fully, and you'll see exactly how, the amount that I invested in. All I've simply done is made my investment those 2 weeks ago, and I've just made my 10 daily ads every single day for the last 2 weeks and not missed a day. Okay, so you'll see that how to do that in the video underneath here, and the ads are there, and I've just recently done my ads this morning. Now, when you have a look at the exchange rate, so when you check out the video below, when I first set up the platform, I think the ad stake was 0.2 at the time. I can't remember off the top of my head, but last week I took a screenshot of the price of the ADSTKR token, and I'm just going to show you this now. So if I pull that down, I'll just pull it down for you. The ad stake was 0.4, so it more or less doubled within the week. So that was good. So there was a profit there. But again, I haven't taken any profit out as of yet. All I'm doing is just compounding it just to build my AdStaker rewards up. Now, when you go to today's the time of today, and again, by the time you watch this video, the price may have fluctuated. As volatile as crypto is, it may have gone up or it may have gone down. So I'm just going to show you today's price. It's almost $1. So you can see AdStaker is pretty much on fire at the moment, and there's more and more people coming on board. So if I just jump back across to my dashboard, and that is my total AdStaker there that I've currently gained over the fortnight. Your staking amount there, as you can see, so you can do the maths out. You can do the maths straight away on what I've just showed you there. So just short of $1. So I've got 1,373 there. I can unstake that at any time, look, by just doing that, but I'm not going to, because all I'm going to keep doing is compounding it. And you'll see I did have some reviews, so I did pay. Actually, let's have a look at my history. I think I might be in history. Yeah, there you go. Look, so I set up five ads. I purchased 1,000 views, which cost me $100 for those 1,000 ad views. And as you can see, I've just used my personal website just for the views, so you can see the total number of views for each ad that I set up. And again, you don't have to have a website. You do not have to purchase these. I just did that because I am looking to advertise some of the materials on my blog. So when you go to the view ads, in fact, no, sorry, it's dashboard. So I'll just go back to dashboard. If you go down to click views, and then, you know, so it's $1 per 10. So of course, if I was to buy 1,000, again, it would cost me another 100, but I'm not going to, because I'm just wanted to I want to build up now my total AdStaker. So that is my typical results just for the 2 weeks. My plan is, at the moment, I'll shoot another video in a couple of weeks' time just to see how I'm getting it on. I will be monitoring. I will be doing my 10 views per day. Again, the link for how to do the ads is in the description for the other video, but I'll be doing them again for the next 14 days, and then I'll make a decision I'll check on the price of the AdStaker token, and I may just then decide to take some of the profits out depending on what's going on. And one last thing, you do get emails on a regular basis from the CEO of AdStaker, just updating you and giving you tips and advice and things like that. Today we received an email to say now the minimum stake is only 50 AdStaker tokens to set up, whereas when the video that I produced the last time and when I set mine up, the minimum was 100 AdStaker. So it's maybe worth a small investment. I think it's only about $30, I do believe, if you can afford that. Again, please bear in mind this is not financial advice, but if you can, it's maybe just worth it. Bearing in mind, do your own due diligence, check the prices of the coin over the last month, and you might want to just consider having a little dabble at this for just 50 AdStaker tokens. And all of the details in the other video is how to set up. If you do have any questions, then please feel free to reach out to me. Happy ad staking.